It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2016 Ram 1500 Eco Diesel. Has a 3.0-liter diesel engine, and it's paired with an automatic transmission, and this is a 4x4. You have a nice line box. It's about 6 feet long, and it also has navigation, reverse camera, a power sliding rear window, which is really handy, and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. And as you can see, the exterior is white and the interior is gray with seating for 5. And stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This has a 3-liter diesel engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and cup holder, as well as speaker in the door, and then you've got power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered, the passenger seat is manually adjusted, and you've got these nice WeatherTech liners on the floor. Keeps everything nice and clean. Your lighting controls are located here, and you've got a running board and grab handle, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, you've got your dash controls, hands-free dialing, you've got your cruise control, and we can start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and everything will come up on your dash here. And then in the center, we've got a little cubby. We've got the Uconnect loading. It's just going to take a second here. We can accept by touching on the screen. And then you're seeing in here our sources. So we've got our Bluetooth auxiliary USB SD card, and we can go into the radio, and it says Sirius XM, AM, FM. As well, we've got our navigation, and that'll come up. It's being activated. And that's what the SD card's for. So then you can go into the map where to and indicate that. As well, you've got your climate, and there we go with our AC and max AC, front and rear defrost, and then our settings. And again, just touching on the display screen to get what you want. And then you've got the different options in there you can slide up and down in. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So right off the back, green, yellow, red is just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. Let's put us back into park. Volume and tuner, hazard lights, and you can go back and forth in the screen there. AC, your fan, front and rear defrost, and there's your climate control, and you've got your traction control, tow haul, and your parking sensors. Little cubby here, your trailer integrated trailer brake controller, your dial shifter, and there's your 4x4. And then you've got nice cubbies here. You've got a 12 volt down there, a couple of cup holders, and this opens up, your armrest opens up, and it's got everything there, your USB auxiliary SD card and auxiliary line in, and a little shallow area, and then you can click underneath, and it's a deeper one. You can put lots of stuff in there, and it just keeps it out of sight, but it also keeps it from flying around the vehicle if you do a quick stop or whatever. So for safety's sake as well, put smaller items in there. 115 volt, and you've got 2 glove compartments. And then up top here, you've got a manually dimming rear view mirror. And this is the power sliding window in the rear. So that just press the button and it goes sideways, which is quite nice. And then you also have your lighting controls here and grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, and chrome and black running board, chrome door handle, driver's side fuel cap, and the black handle extends to the tailgate. Your backup cameras to the left, and you also have backup sensors on your bumper, as well as a trailer tow hitch, 4 and 7 pin connector. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, just simply put your hand in the latch, and you've got a nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, and you're seeing that sliding window in the rear. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and there's also a grab handle in the body. This vehicle has seating for 3 in this row with a 60-40 split. You have your armrest with a couple of cup holders, and you can flip that up and then lift the seat, and then you can take this portion, pull it out, and it's got, as you can see, it's got feet, so you actually want to pull from this side. There you go. Bring the feet down, gives you that support. And then you can put items there, it gives you a flat surface. You've also got the cutout for the cup holders, so if you still wanted to put your cup holders in, you could. And then you just fold it back up, flip it down, and then push the seat down. And again, you can bring the armrest down if you want to. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and you've got this nice all-weather mat on the floor. It just keeps everything nice and clean. There's your cup holders. And then over here, you've got your 12 volt and air vents. grab handle on the driver's side, and in the back you've got a sliding window, and you're all set to go with hooks and lighting up above. Chrome bumper, about a 6-foot box that's lined, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable and heated side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.